Are you still paying for soccer prediction or whatever prediction you're looking for? Today, I'm going to show you how to leverage AI because apparently some people are not doing it the right way. How can you be paying thousands of pounds, thousands of dollars to get soccer or football or whatever prediction when you have the source in your hands? Well, today on the board AI, we are here to show you practical ways to get soccer predictions, but disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. We do not support gambling. Yes, we do. No, we don't. Okay, let's get right to it. No long talk, no gimmick. This is the only channel where you get live tutorial or gameplay. Well, whatever it is. No fancy, no fancy gear. We're going to show you live how you can get perfect predictions. Well, near perfect predictions using AI with what we call prompt engineering. I'm going to be showing you practically how we go about it. But first, let us ask what exactly is prompt engineering? I'm going to go to my friend Google here and ask prompt engineering. Let's see what they come up with. Okay. It says, okay, let's move up to the AI mode. The process of structuring natural language, blah, 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 blah. Long talk now. This is where my focus is. Advanced techniques. We have the chain of thought, tree of thought, prompt chain, and RAG. Now, people don't understand that using this advanced technique, you can probably predict, well, almost predict the score of the gameplay of a particular team. I'm going to be showing you live how we go about it. Now, our focus here are chain of thought, prompt chain, and RAG. I'm going to ask it now, which is the best? Okay, let's take this and say here, which is the best? Okay, okay. Now we are saying here, COT, prompt RAG, let's see. Best for logic, math, multi-step reasoning. Okay. Okay. Now let's ask it for something else. Case scenario for sports betting, which should be used. I'm gonna be making some errors while typing, but it's okay. I'm trying to get this as fast as possible. Okay. Now he's showing us for sports betting, the best scenarios or the best advanced technique we use is the RAG or the CO2 workflow. Okay. Okay. That is it. Now, straight to it. Now we have here a sports betting platform. I'm no affiliate to it. So please bet safely, bet responsibly. Now we are seeing here upcoming matches. This is for today, the 17th of March, which is live. Now I don't understand all this, or I do not understand how I can make my sport prediction or which of the team I should be picking for the day. And okay, let's see. Now, based on this, we are seeing that RAG and COT workflow work best for sport betting. How do we go about it? Simple as that. I already have a prompt already, which is already the tree of thought prompt. If you could see here, one of the advanced techniques here is, where is it? Where is it? Okay, the tree of thought. I'm going to take my tree of thought prompt and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make it advanced using the RAG and COT workflow. Okay, let's get right to it. Now back to my ChatGPT. I'm going to get my tree of thoughts prompt here. This is my tree of thoughts here. Now, if you want this prompt or if you want the prompt we're going to be using, you comment below and I'll send you the prompts, okay? Now let's get right to it, okay? Now I'm gonna ask no, not send yet. Let's stop that. Let's go back there. You see, that's the reason for this channel. We are not editing anything. We're showing you live how it works. Okay. I'm gonna go back to this. I'm gonna ask it here. RAGLCOT workflow. Copy, paste it here. Ask it to make my prompt advanced for educational purpose sport betting using this workflow. Okay, put it here. Now we send it. Now let's see what it comes up with. It's saying an advanced technique, blah blah blah. Upgraded. Now it's going to upgrade our current prompt into an RAG and COT hybrid workflow. This will help us able to get the perfect prediction for our sports. Okay, let's go right to it. Okay, it's still coming up. It's still coming up. Okay. That is it. The prompt transforms the system into blah 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 blah. Moves guesswork, operational based on let's say blah 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 blah. Okay, now give me a comprehensive, okay, prompt based on this advanced workflow I described. Now let's get a prompt now. Master prompt. Okay, it's coming up. Now you will be the judge of it. We will take this gameplay for today and see. We'll test it today live and see was it able to predict accurately or near accurately these gameplays. Okay. Okay. It's coming up. Okay. Now I'm going to say moving forward, use this advanced master prompt for these games. I will be sharing with you. Then we let it know. Is it ready? Ready? Okay. Now it understood or now it understands that it's going to be using the RAG framework, which it has now analyzed and made advanced to give us the perfect prediction. Now I'm going to get these games here for today. Whatever it is going on today. Okay. Now let's use these 4 matches now. Okay. Let's see. Let me show more. Okay, so for the next day. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Use it here and ask it to analyze now with your best bet. Analyze now with your best bets. Let's see how it goes. This is live. No editing, no whatever. Okay, let's see. Okay. Here retriever insight. Okay, there we go. Okay. It even gave us the confidence level. This confidence level means that how sure is it it's winning or whatever it is. But confidence level, I'm seeing 8.5 here. Okay. And it's giving us the strategy, to bet at least, responsibly. Okay. Best values, problem combinations, sporting. Okay. If you want to blah blah blah. Okay, let's see further. Break this into 2 optimized slips. Okay, let's see what it's gonna give us. But we're gonna look at this and see. Arsenal to win, Chelsea versus PSG, yes, 1.60. Man City versus Real Madrid, okay, 1.35. Okay, Sporting gonna win here, Arsenal's gonna win here, PSG to win, okay. We will check today. At the end of the day, was it able to predict? Was it able to give us accurate results? Let us see. Now we're back to seeing controlled sleep. Okay. Started from here. Okay. Safe sleep. High rates. High return. Okay. 14, not to produce, 1.5. It is, confidence level 8.5, very strong. Okay. 7. Okay. Still within range. Okay. It's not telling you how best to structure your deposits or your earnings or your income to play or safe bets. Okay. Stake 70% for this. Sleep 1. Sleep 2, 30%. Okay. So this is my sleep 1 here. It's having confidence level of 8.5. Second sleep is 7. Okay. Okay. You can see that this is the ultimate prediction. Now, is it going to win? Are they going to lose? I do not know. But we will check discuss tonight and see did the chat GPT actually give us the spot prediction or not. Most people do not know that you can actually, enhance the prompt or enhance chat GPT to give you accurate results. We've done that today. Now, if you like this channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to give you more and more tips, more and more ways to use AI. You can only get that if you turn on the notification. But for now, the bold AI. See ya.